Well, friends, the queen was just sitting back there, but my 18-year-old just came down and snagged our kitty cat. So we're just gonna leave the blanket like that. Actually, that blanket's from Temu. So you guys asked for it, you wondered where they were, and guess what? We are back with another Temu haul. Got a flippin' dollar deal for y'all if you are new to Temu. Temu is an app that has lots of things, from fashion to accessories to beauty. I get a lot of things for our camper. There's a lot of things that I've picked up here on Temu that's very affordable to help decorate our camper inside and outside as well. If you've never heard of Temu, I'm gonna have a link down in the description box below for you guys that you can download the app. I also have a coupon code. This is good for new and existing users. I'm also going to be popping up a QR code, guys. I've never inserted a QR code before, so fingers crossed this actually works. But if you check out your screen, I'm going to have a QR code if you want to pause the video. The QR code will also give you the $100 coupon code bundle. So if you don't want to plug it into the search bar, you can just pause the video, scan the QR code, and that should take you right to the bundle. So all you're going to do is, once you've downloaded the Temu app or opened up your Temu app, you're just going to go into the little search bar. Once you go up to the little search bar, go ahead and put in code DPJ8763 in there. It's going to drop down and show you guys a bunch of amazing deals. When it comes to Temu, Temu has free shipping. They have lightning deals. They have flash sales too. So even though I am going to be telling you the prices of everything that I show you today, and I will also have this in the description box with the links and pinned in the comment section, they have those lightning deals and those flash sales all the time. Don't worry, because if you pay whatever I show you on the screen and then it becomes a lightning deal, they actually do free price adjustments. They also do free returns up to 90 days as well. So thank you to Teemu, because they actually did let me pick these goodies out for today's video. So thank you to Temu for that and working with me in today's video. Let's go ahead and let's talk about the dollar deal. I have been eyeballing these for flippin' ever, and I finally went ahead and I got them. If you are a first-time Temu app user, you can get these wreaths for $1. It's a set of 2. See these all the time. These are actually, I want to hang on our cupboards down at our camper, so I need to floof them better, but these are so cute. And the decor that I have down there, our flooring and everything in our cupboards, it's like more on the neutrally gray side, so I just felt like this would just match so much better. Plus the rug that I have in our like kitchen section of the camper is very like, it's actually this color story, white. It's white with black in there, so I just thought this would match so well, and they're so cute. And if you are a new Temu app user, you'll get both of these for $1. If not, they're like $10.99, but I think they're adorable personally. And these are also good that if you want to put them outside too. So if you're, you know, decorating your windows or what have you, like I like things like this in the, like around Christmas time, you can get these kind of like outdoorsy wreaths. I thought these were adorable, so you just like fold them over. It's like a wire bow and tape it down. Speaking of which, this is the second time that I picked these up. I actually got these a while back, and funny enough, like you guys know, I am like on a major decor journey. I want the cutest camping spot, which low-key I think I'm wanting over there. So I actually got this during the summertime, and my husband loves real flowers and everything, but obviously we're not there every single day. So all of the flowers, unfortunately, that he had didn't make it in the heat of the summer. On one side was his, but then I had like one of these little hanging baskets, and it literally, here's the greenery, you can put it like that. It's got like that moss and everything, and it's styrofoam, and then you got this greenery, so you can have it like this, but then it comes with all these bouquets of flowers. So then once you put it all together, if you want, which this is how I did it, the one we have down is all purple, but you just floof it out, and then you put it right into the styrofoam, and then once you put it all together and floof it and everything, it literally looks like a hanging basket. Now I don't want to put the pink in. I think I'm going to just keep it with the greenery, because we are going into the fall. So I want to save this, I think, for next summer. But I also got the little shepherd's hooks or whatever they're called, hung it on those down there. I think I got like 4 of them for the flags, because I also got the flags down from Temu, and then I got the little shepherd's hook here. And yeah, these are just, it's perfect. And then the one I have currently down there, we've had like major storms roll through there, withstood the storms, everything, and it doesn't matter how hot it gets. You don't have to worry about obviously watering them. They hadn't faded, nothing. So I highly recommend these. So I'm definitely going to, I don't know, that's kind of fallish, especially the yellow and the kind of reddish orange. So I may just go ahead and put those in there. So this is another purchase, and this thing is flippin' amazing. So this is the electric mosquito killer. We already have one down there, and I figured why not have another one. This actually works, guys. So I love this. All you got to do is plug it in. We like to sit outside, and so my husband actually like plugged it in and put it kind of down by our feet so our ankles weren't ate up as we were sitting outside relaxing. So I got another one, so I figured we could get one on either side. We could put one closer when we're sitting out around the fire or something. I was happy to be able to get another one. You've got the little hanging thing, so if you want to put it on the shepherd's hook, you can. Also to decorate, which this is coming down with us, but you could put this anywhere. And I actually, the ones I have currently outside are from Temu as well. But these are the LED solar torch lights. I was so excited. I had actually originally picked up like a 2-pack from Temu, and we got it down there. We've got one on each side by our little hanging baskets, and I was like, oh, I really like more. Look how cute these are. Yeah, and here's the little, these work so well, but this side has like the little decorative like cutout or whatever you want to call it, and then it does come where you can put that in, and then the little stake into the ground so they sit a little bit higher up if you want. This is actually a 12-piece set, which was good because like I said, the one I gotten before was only a 2-piece set, and I wanted to just try them out, see if they worked and how well they work. They work excellent. It does come in a 4-pack, 8-pack, or 12-pack. So since we're getting into fall, I felt like it was time to change up the outdoor decor. So if you guys have been with me for a hot minute, you know that I had already gotten a Temu rug, and it was like aqua, and it's like the straw kind outdoor rug. And then I have another one on top of that, and it says like summer, and it's very summer-esque. Well, I thought, you know, going into fall, it was time to get a new kind of styled rug for our camper. I don't want to spill my coffee. Hold on, coffee break. Now, you don't have to put it outdoor. It's a washable rug. So if you wanted, you could very easily just put this in your living room for sure. I think it would be very nice. But it's like a boho chic kind of rug, and it's really nice. And I thought, you know, this would be cute outdoorsy for the fall. So that's what I'm going to do. It's a big one. You could get smaller sizes too if you wanted. Now on the back, it kind of has a little bit of the grip. It's not like super grippy, but just a little bit of grippy. Probably not the best explanation, but it feels really nice and soft too. But I felt like it would be really good for down at the camper to change out the decor. Okay, the last thing that I got is big. Hold on. Okay, so the last thing I got, I thought was perfect for the lake. And it's this chair. I thought this would also be nice sitting around the fire. Now, how cute is that? You can't see me. Can I just say this is actually really comfortable? And I feel like if you've got your kids are playing football, get one of these. Don't be sitting on the bleachers. Soccer, you need this. This is way more cozier than those canvas ones that they end up ripping along the arm part. I mean, how cute. This came in other colors too, but this is actually crazy comfortable, and it's really well built. Hold on, let me give you guys a close-up. Like, isn't that so nice? A nice little folding chair, metal, and this isn't cloth. It's like a double-lined, almost like a plasticky wicker, weather resistant, so you don't have to worry about if it rains, if it gets wet. It folds up, perfect for the trunk, easy, lightweight to carry. And it does come in other colors if you are interested in that. I'll have it linked below, friends. So that is everything for our Temu haul. I definitely feel like I got some great finds, and on top of that, it's some things that I have had in the past but I needed some more of. So don't forget to download the Temu app. I'm gonna have a special link down below for you guys, and of course the new users of the app, you get the wreath. You literally get both of the wreaths for $1. And don't forget, if the prices that you see or listed and linked down below for you guys, but it could be less. So make sure to go and click those links and check it out. And don't forget, you're gonna get that $100 coupon bundle. All you gotta do is search the code DPJ8763, and that's gonna give you the coupon bundle. It's gonna show you a bunch of deals and everything. Anyways, let me know some things that you guys have picked up from Temu. They're having back to school sales, up to 90% off deals, and I'm already stocking up and getting ready for the holidays because I got a lot of kids, and well, Temu's got really good deals. So thank you once again to Temu for letting your girl pick these things out. Make sure you're following me on my channel, Hotmess Mama Vlogs, because I just have done the month of August 3 fashion hauls over there, and you guys, the amount of things that I have found over there, the quality, that search bar and the Temu app is gonna be your best friend. If you want boutique style clothing, plug that right into the search bar. You want pink pajamas, plug that into the search bar. You want something for your camper, you get where I'm going with that. Anyways, friends, I'm hopping off for now. I'm actually going to film another Temu haul for my MD channel. That one is ginormous, so make sure to stay tuned for that one. But don't forget, every Monday, 1 p.m. Eastern time, over on my other channel, Hotmess Mama MD Makeup Diva, I'm always going live and chit-chatting with you guys and everything. So definitely jump over there. And if you don't know what to write in the comment section, remember, keep it cute or put it on mute. But you can always put algorithm in the comment section, and that helps to push the video out, and others will be able to see these bargain deals. Anyways, friends, until next time, as always, kisses from Kentucky. Mwah! Bye.